Dr. Blake here with the Susquehanna Spine Joint. Today we're going to go through some at-home remedies you can do to help with your low back pain. So we're going to show you how to use first a foam roller, and then a lacrosse ball on the low back. Now we're going to show you is a little different than what most people do. Most people are familiar with just using a foam roller to roll the low back, and that's fine, but you also have these real deep muscles, like these deep erector muscles through here that can cause low back pain, as well as you have a ligament called the iliolumbar ligament. This is a fancy term for a ligament that runs from your hip to your spine. When that muscle or that ligament's tight, that's going to compress the back and cause low back pain as well. So first, let's just go through how to use this roller in general to loosen up the low back. So the mistake I see a lot of people making is they roll their back and they're hanging over like this and they can't get much movement. So a better way to do it is to put it right in the low back. You're going to keep your angle, so you're going to gently lift your hips up. You're going to still keep your shoulders up above your hips, and you're going to kind of roll down in this motion. And that rolling is actually going to help traction out that low back a little bit. So just like that, not like this, like this, and that's going to get that nice stretch. But so on top of doing that, you can also use this roller as like a low back decompression. And so you're going to put it right in the low back there. You're going to let your back hang over it. Then you're going to take your elbow and push down and slit your back. Just relax out all those muscles. And you're going to push down and you're just going to hold it. And that's going to open up those ligaments in the discs in the low back, just help them decompress and get the circulation going. So you're going to push down and let it relax. You want to do that for about 2 minutes to stretch open those ligaments. Good. So there's that with the foam roller. And next we're going to show you how to use a lacrosse ball. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to put the lacrosse ball right between like your SI joint here and the spine of the spine process of your spine there. So pretty much here's your belt here. This is where your belt's going to be. And it'll be about an inch off your spine. And you're just going to lay on it, compress it, and then you're going to roll your shoulder into the direction that you're compressing. So if you have it on your right side, you're going to lay on it, you're going to twist your shoulders to the right. So if you do it on the left, compress it between the SI joint and the middle of your spine, probably just above the belt, an inch off the spine. Compress it on the left, and you roll the left. And that's going to stretch out that ligament through here, the iliolumbar ligament that gets tight, and compress it, as well as going to stretch out these real deep muscles here that can get tight and cause that low back pain. So you're going to land the floor, once again, inch off the spine, just above the belt. And we're going to work on the right side here, so I have it on the right side. Going to lay on it, compress it, and it's going to twist to the right just like that and hold it just for a couple seconds. Once again, kind of reposition it, compress, and then twist and hold. And that's stretching out that ligament there, the iliolumbar ligament, that gets tight. So you probably do about 5 passes each side, and that'll help to loosen that up. So once again, try these at-home remedies, see if it helps with low back pain. Thanks.